Hello and welcome to another video on what is Shopify. So in today's video, I'm gonna focus is on the POS, which is one of the features that Shopify provides to merchant, one of the roles in this e-commerce platform, as well as the customers and also the business aspect of that. So first, I look at the Shopify. So what is Shopify? Which is an e-commerce platform that comes with a lot of out-of-the-box things to manage your product. Uh, so it provides a couple tools for product management, inventory management, payment processors, as well as shipping, right? So it abstracts this unnecessary the complexity of this commerce or e-commerce operations, so you can focus as a merchant on things like, of course, once you buy a Shopify plan, improve the look and feel of your online store. Shopify provide to merchants is tools to start sell across multiple places, such as in person, web, mobile, retail or brick and mortar shops, pop-up shops, as well as in different sales channels, such as the digital marketplace or social networks. Also, it comes with payment processors. It allows you to integrate several payment processors, allegedly with one of the best checkout allegedly with one of the best converting checkout on the internet, and SEO and marketing tools, so you can keep track of how you're going and how you're doing in your business. If you can fine tune even your store, you can rely and start using the Shopify API features. Okay, so once you gain traction in your business, Shopify recognizes that your business has unique demands and needs. So they comes with the second layer. So the first layer is something that I already described, the Shopify core products and service. And the second layer is that once you gain traction, so when you're starting to grow in your business, so they provide things like balance. So you can see all of your financial statements and all financial information. So whether it's balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, and so on, as well as the financing, or something called the Shopify Capital, right? Which is a way of finance business owner, or this a small to mid business owner here, right? This page is on show me the English page. This doesn't exist. I love it. What about this? There you go. All right. So buying business funding, pay as you sell. This is a way for Shopify to provide financial service as a financial institution. Holy moly! It's like, oh, they're starting to scale that. And the Investopedia mentioned that financial institutions solely exist to provide a set of products such as lending, deposit, and investment products for business, consumers, or both. Okay? So with this, once you gain this traction, and now you have to face a new custom challenge based on your business, you can rely on app built by trust partner or trust developer, which is part of the layer three, Shopify apps store. So whatever you can think of or you can dream of, there is an app for that. So from the latest SMA applications uh, to the hottest new social media network ads tool. So you can also is hire these Shopify experts in the marketplace to meet your specific needs. So this is a way how you can think of the Shopify, and according to their Shopify blog. Okay, so what is Shopify? Okay, so yeah, this is the way how you can think of Shopify. Okay, look them. You can look at them at different layers. It's a cake, the core, uh, which is the layer one. Shopify core products and service. Layer two is the additional products and service such as balance and funding. And layer three is apps built by trust-party developers when you need to tackle certain specific business or certain specific business use case. Okay. So then I look at why Shopify. It's like why you go with Shopify in my particular case, because with an experience over 6 years of software development, and recently now I look at different uh, niche here with Shopify, so I can combine my software engineering skills on a particular industry, the e-commerce, which is great. And I also get hired, or I'm offering my service to a client that has a Shopify apps, which is very interesting, very cool application, by the way. Even their business model is something straightforward. Um, so yeah, so why Shopify? Especially if you wanna go with it, right? So in my case, it was because I find someone that needs to solve some particular problems, right? So that's the reason why I go with Shopify. So I find an opportunity based on my previous experience and, and value that I provide, my portfolio. So the client, even though that I wasn't able to to provide Shopify or to fix the Shopify issue at the beginning, because I am not aware or I'm new to the platform, period, right? Even though the clients see the value based on my previous experience, and they give me the opportunity. Cool, cool. By the way, thanks. So, why Shopify? After all, well, because Shopify it supports an entire community ecosystem. It support an entire e-commerce ecosystem community with online or offline, with partners, developers, entrepreneurs, merchants. So Shopify is global, so merchants can span in over 175 countries. However, when it comes to payments, accept payments and shipping, that reduces to way more or less countries than that. Uh, Shopify also allows you to explore your creativity as well as come with a integrated commerce platform out of the box, so you don't have to handle a lot of the complexity. So it absorbs unnecessary complexity, not only for the business aspect of e-commerce operation, but also for the technical aspect, such as code maintenance, add new features, server maintenance, and scalability, as well as security. So all of those details are handled by Shopify. So the business model of Shopify is that it charges per transaction and a monthly plan fee. Okay, that's their business model for that. So Etsy charge multiple fees per sales and for listing items. So the subtle difference between Shopify and Etsy is that Shopify is great for retailer sellers that have an already customer base. Okay. Whereas with Etsy, it's more for sellers or merchants uh, or artisan service that they are building that uh, customer list. Okay, so that's the subtle difference between is why Shopify and as well as their business model, right? Let me take a look at this. So business model, business model. Okay, and then here, okay, then here I look at the Shopify features. So once I know what is Shopify, why Shopify, as well as the business model, and compare that with some close competitor, Shopify features offer to so Shopify features is helps different roles here, whether it's as a merchant, as a customer, or in your business, right? So for merchants, you have something called the storefront, where this is how you can find new ways to sell that delight users, boost sales, and build loyalty features, as well as build customer loyalty across different touch points. Touch points that, according to interaction-design.org, can be the web, the mobile, the third-party service, print media, marketing service, as well as product and people. Again, each one of them will evolve over time, and these different touch points, for example, with e-commerce or this storefront, you can is so what are the things that you can do with this storefront? Well, you can uh, build your website across different custom storefronts, or integrate your e-commerce in different marketplaces. Okay, all right. You can integrate your e-commerce across different marketplaces. Uh, and that's right. Sorry. uh, So yeah, you can integrate. So the things that you can do with Shopify features, and especially for merchants, is to uh, use storefront. Okay, it allows you to find new ways to sell that delight users, boost sales, and ultimately build a customer loyalty across different touch points. So the things you can do here are create this custom website or integrate your e-commerce into your mobile application, whether it's on Android or iPhone, as well as inject shopping moments into your games where your audience already where your existing audience uh, where your existing audience exists. Okay, and the other is the custom sell channels. This custom sales channel or sell and custom channels Using the Storefront API, it allows you to have full control over the buying experience. Buying experience such as car dealership, cafes and restaurants, electronic stores, grocery shops, online shopping, travel booking, in-store retail. So all of these are buying experience. So this is one of the features of Shopify that allowed or offered to merchants. This custom storefront. The other is uh, social selling or sales channels. Okay, so you can promote your service. So you can promote and sell your product. That's right. So you can promote and sell your product, physical or digital, okay, across different social media networks. That's right. Which is this? So this is social channels integrations or sales channels. So promotes and sell. That's right. So promotes and sell your products, whether it's digital or physical, across different sales channels. All right, whether it's on digital marketplace or social media in a centralized place. So you can start selling on social media such as YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. So you can find new customers, grow your brand's audience, as well as build customer loyalty with social selling. So I know I'm memorizing all of this, and I need to understand is each one of those concepts rather than memorizing. And this is very, very important to me because, especially when I have to explain to someone that is in the field, I can do that in a way that we can understand each other. So we can be on the same page, period. Okay, so this is the second feature or the other features that this is the second feature that Shopify offer to merchants, right? That is this custom sell channels and social social channels integrations and custom sell channels. So promote and sell your products, whether it's digital or physical, across different sell channels, whether it's social media or digital marketplace, in a centralized place using Shopify. Right? So for the case of social media, well, you can promote and sell your digital or physical service, your products, digital or physical, in place like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, to find new shoppers or customers, grow your brand audience, and build customer loyalty through social selling. And in the context of digital marketplace, is that well, put your brand at one of the largest retail out there, Walmart, or sell where people search. For example, Google. And this is the business model for this client. You know, so the client that I'm providing my service actually is using Google search to build their business, right? Cool, cool. Um, the other features that Shopify offer to merchants is the Shop App Assistant, which is an AI shop. It's a digital, it's an AI shop assistant. Okay, so the technical aspect here is that is a wrapper, is a is a Shopify, is a wrapper around the Shopify database using ChatGPT to rediscover business while finding and buying their products. This is the TLDR of Shop app. The other feature is the POS, which is something that it took me quite amount of time to ponder this, to reflect on this, because uh, I'm new to this. Period. I'm new to this. That's all, man. That's all. So this is the POS and retail, right? So yeah, this is this is the POS and retail. Yes, this is the POS and retail. You know, so um, with that, okay. So the POS, after all, is a system that is used to process transactions and accept payment. To look a little bit of history here, I look at the National American Museum, okay, the American National Museum, sorry, American National Museum, all right, uh, the National the National Museum of American History, or the American National Museum, okay, where in there I look a little bit of the history of the POS. So where this originated and what was the problem that it tried to solve and who made this. So back in the 1880s, at the end of the North American Civil War, shop owners need to hire strangers to assist customers. And for these strangers, they were very easy to pick the pocket money. So everything changed when James Reedy from Dayton, Ohio, invented the first mechanical cash register. Even though the Reedys were out of business and their patent were purchased by John Patterson, which was a mogul, a magnate, or a tycoon, right? All of these words are very interesting because the word magnate mean come from Latin, which is the it means a great nobleman, a great lord, as well as the mogul, which is a deviation from English word from the Arabic or Persian that allude to the Mughal Empire in the Middle Age India, where those rulers were known to build, were known to build, were known to handle, uh, were known to amount, were known to deal with huge amount of power and produce wonders of opulence, such as the Taj Mahal. And the word tycoon comes from the Japanese taikon, which is a Japanese word for the shoguns, right? Used to describe the shogun or these dictatorships, right? It means a great lord. So anyway, okay, that's a fun fact about that. It's a tangent that I took. Back here, John Henry Patterson is this industrialism that purchased the British patent and then later on build what is known the National Company, the National Cash Register Company, or the National Cash Register Corporation, the NCR. right? We're talking about is uh, in the early 20th centuries, on the early in the early 20th centuries. So this NCR not only focuses on cash register, but down the line on electronic devices. So POS, all right, unlike cash register, where cash register only can is print and count, is a printed recipe and count. POS take a step further to include is automatically updating an inventory when selling a product. Awesome. Get real-time reports, manage staff, uh, as well as build a library with customer loyalty. So it also has some disadvantage with this. Mainly is from the security aspect of this. So Oracle is well. Oracle has a good history about it. So he knows some trouble in there. Uh, so yeah, but after all, that's just a little bit of history about the POS, who found that, why do we have this, and what was the problem they tried to solve or they solve. Uh, so yeah, so but now for the context of Shopify, okay, uh, which is here. So with Shopify POS, retail business get all the tools to manage daily operations. Couple things here. What are retail business? Okay, we already know what are the daily operations in retail, or I'm assuming that I know what is the daily operation in a retail business. So first, I look at the concept of this. So retail business. So yeah, so for Shopify, with Shopify POS, retail business get all the tools that it needs to manage daily operations. Okay, so what is business? What is this retail business? So they specialize in the sales of goods and or service to customer, aka the business to consumer business model, right? So they specialize in the sales of good and or service to consumers, right? So products sell or products sold by retailers include is yeah, products sold by retailers include apparel, jewelry, houseware, small appliance, and there is a lot of things that I didn't know about this concept. So products sold by retailers include apparel, jewelry, small appliance, houseware. Okay, in Spanish can be called in Spanish. Small appliance is electrodomésticos. This is where you fucked up English speakers or native English speakers. It's like what the. Yeah, we got a specific word for that. Electrodomésticos or small appliance, as well as uh, houseware, or in Spanish, artículos de cocina, uh, electronics, and farm, yeah, pharmaceutical products, as well as groceries. And for the service, it covers a wide range of service, including all of this, including tools and equipment rentals, such as construction, home improvement, excavators, backhoes, concrete mixers, concrete saws, jackhammers, scaffolding, skid steer loaders, compactors, tile cutters, floor sanders, pharmacists, auto care, and cloud computing. Okay. So this is just to understand a little bit more about the wide range of service that retail offer. Because after all, they specialize in the sales of good and or service. Okay, so they specialize in the good. So they specialize in the sale of goods and or service to consumers. And again, just to recap, so products sold by retailers include is apparel, jewelry, small appliance or electrodomésticos in Spanish, houseware, artículos de cocina o artículos del hogar, electronics, groceries, comestibles, consumibles, and pharmaceutical products. And service covers a broad range of and include tools and equipment rentals such as construction and home improvement. Here I think that I asked to ChatGPT to get more about this. ChatGPT version 4, I'm already paying for that. ChatGPT 4, you got it. Tools and equipment rentals. There you got it. Holy shit, exactly. So constructions and home improvement, excavators, backhoes, concrete mixers, concrete saws, jackhammers, scaffolding, skid steer loaders, compactors, tile cutters, floor sanders. This is one of the sectors of the tools and equipment rentals. It can be from construction and home improvement. The other is gardening and landscaping. Gardening. This is very gringo. This is very North America. Gardening and landscaping. Gardening and landscaping. So gardening and landscaping, such as lawn aerators. What the hell is even this? I think this is something new, bro. Lawn aerators. Lawn aerators. How the fuck do you say that in Spanish? How the F you say that in Spanish? Oh, what the hell? Aerators. Holy hell. Exactly. Oh, fuck. Aeration. Deeper root, new growth. Healthier lawn. Man, you really don't have. You gotta shallow roots, compacted soil. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Aeración. This is, oh my god. This is generally have better problems. This is genuinely have better problems. Oh my god. Holy fuck. How the fuck do you say that in Spanish? Spanish people don't, in Spanish people don't have that luxury because they don't care about that. It's like aireadores de césped. Oh my, exactly. It's like lawn aerators. Lawns 8 acres. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. Lawns 8 acres. Holy hell, this is oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. What is lawn aviator? Before aviation, so root new deeper roots increase lawn density. Oh my god, but this is a whole universe. This is a Marvel universe here. What the hell is this? Planting three. Alright. Holy hell. Anyway, law ideators. Okay, I learned something new today. I learned something new today. It's like, holy fuck. Law ideators. Interesting. Law, lawn movers. Movedores de céspedes in Spanish. So, movers. Mowers. Lawn mowers. Holy fuck. Alright, to make it more faster and enjoyable. That's so gringo. That's so gringo. I wouldn't say that's for foot athletes because I don't think athletes go out and do this. Might be, who knows? They have a lot of time, free time, so they live in another bubble as well. Riding lawnmowers, holy fuck. Okay, law tractors. Oh my god. Oh, holy Home Depot. Oh, come on, really? I don't have access? What the fuck is this? Lawn mowers. Come on, Home Depot. Fuck off. What the hell is even this? Some green work. Anyway. Are robots lawful? Anyway, law. Okay. Okay. How to winterize? Oh my god. How to winterize a lawnmower? Winterize. Winterize. Oh my god. Anyway, lawnmowers. Deans. Low mowers. No, low movers. Exactly. Low movers. Leaf blowers. Oh, okay. Yeah. Leaf blowers. Leaf blowers. Chainsaw. Chain. Chainsaw. Chainsaw. Uh, hedge. Hedge trimmer. Hedge trimmer. What the hell is a hedge trimmer? Ah, all right. Hedge trimmers. Okay, in Spanish, similar to chainsaw, but this is more. What the fuck? There is a product for that. This is a very U.S. product, man. This is a very US product, man. Holy fuck. Hedge trimmer in Spanish. Hedge trimmers. Cortacetos. Cortacetos. Okay, hedge trimmers. Interesting. Hedge trimmers. Mm-hmm. hedge trimmers, stump grinders, stump grinders, stump grinders, stump grinders. Why do they use that stump grinder? Okay, stump grinders. Interesting. Stump grinders. Stump grinders. Stump. Meaning or Spanish. Stump. Exactly. Stump. 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 Stump grinders. Stump grinders. Tilers. 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 Seed or fertilize spreaders. Seeds or fertilizer spread. Seed or fertilizer spreaders. Wood chippers. Wood chippers. What the hell is wood chippers? Wood chippers. Holy hell, wood chippers. Interesting. Trituradoras de árbol. Okay, wood chippers. Wood chippers. Wood chippers. Wood chippers. Wood chippers. Interesting. And post hole diggers. Post hole diggers. Post hole diggers. Post hole diggers. Oh, lol. In Spanish, excavadoras de agujero para postes. Pole hole diggers. Exacto, excavadoras de agujeros para postes. Pole hole diggers. Interesting. Pole hole diggers. Man, Home Depot, fuck off, man. It's like I think I am blocked by IP. I am blocked by IP, man. What about you? Post hole diggers. Stump grinder, hedge trimmers, pole hole diggers. Post hole diggers. Interesting. So that'll be all for this video. Take care. Bye bye.